Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to everyone, especially our lecturers, Dr. Hadyan Hafizh and Dr. Muhammad Hong. Alright, so for today's presentation, our group will presenting about our project, which is the smart walking stick for this design project subject. Alright, so this is the list for our group members. Consists of me myself, Muhammad Syahmie Sufi bin Abdul Shukor, Fatin Nadhirah binti Arsil, Suhashini anak perempuan Krishnan, Muhammad Harith bin Muhammad Sabri, and Vikneswaran Kavundar anak lelaki Ramesh. And then we will take a look at the table of contents for our group's presentation. For the first topic is we will present about the introduction for our project, and then the second chapter is the literature review. Thirdly, the idea development. The fourth chapter is computer aided design, CAD, and last but not least, chapter 5, which is the conclusion. Alright, first of all, we will take a look at the introduction for our project. Based on World Health Organization, WHO, there are around 285 million people who are visually impaired globally around the world. And then because of the little contact with the surroundings, a visually impaired person have difficulty to interact with the environment. The smart walking stick is specially designed to detect obstacles which may help the visually impaired person to navigate their way. The smart walking stick measures the distance between the objects and the stick by using an ultrasonic sensor. And then the reflected signals are received from the objects are used as input to the microcontroller and then used for determining the direction and distance of the objects around the visually impaired person. The second subchapter for the introduction of this presentation is the problem statements. We can see that this smart walking stick is produced to detect obstacles when the visually impaired person when they are walking. And then the smart walking stick also functions to navigate unknown places so that they will bring a sighted family member of his friend for support to the visually impaired person. And then the smart walking stick also able to detect objects, water, elevated and lower surface with the aid of microcontroller sensor, and alert the visually impaired person by notifying them with sound produced by the speaker. And then the smart walking stick also to easily detect their walking stick, because they will easily forget where they put their stick, because we will put the GPS sensor at the walking stick. We as a group have discussed there are three main objectives for this smart walking stick project. Firstly, we will have to build a smart walking stick innovatively with the functional of Internet of Things, IoT, and to help the visually impaired person. Secondly, to replace human assistance to the visually impaired person so they can walk by themselves by using the smart walking stick. And then last but not least, the smart walking stick are needed to be able to detect object, water, elevated and lower surface with the aid of sensor, and alert the user by notifying with sound. And then what we can expect from this project. Firstly, the smart walking stick will be able to help blind people to walk properly without need any help from other person or a pet dog. And then secondly, the keeper or guardian of the visually impaired person doesn't need to worry about where they want to go, because they can track the visually impaired person by using the GPS system attached at the smart walking stick. And then last but not least, the smart walking stick are able to create a low cost and efficient stick to the visually impaired person.
Okay, next, I'm going to present about the literature review. So first is the product defined. A smart stick system is designed for assisting blind people. The smart stick comes as a proposed solution. The system is designed like an artificial vision and alarm unit. The system, according to Johann Borenstein and Yoram Coren, they said consists of 5 components, which are ultrasonic sensor, vibrator motor, water sensor, and light sensor, and the microcontroller, which are the Arduino Uno R3. This smart walking stick is portable and can detect obstacles, speed, and water to help the blind with less accident using ultrasonic sensor. So next is the analyzing existing product. So first is the specifications analysis. From this, we collect the data from online shopping websites to find walking stick and also to compare each of its specifications. With the data that we get, we can determine what is the best specification. So the product we collect is 20. The amount of product is 20. Next is the market positioning analysis. Making the position maps required criteria of its price, style, and also the material used. Criteria that we take priority in the position maps charts are size and price. Okay, from the figure, it shows the position maps of current walking stick in the market. These products been rated among the team members by its price and also its size. 20 variety of products managed collected by the group members to decide in the position maps. The prime concern that we want to highlight are the product must be affordable and the size is just nice with the customer. Next is the figure shows the position maps of current walking stick in the market. 20 varieties of product is rated by its material and ergonomic. The priority that we want to focus on the product are the ergonomic and a good material of the product. So that's all from me for the literature review. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Harith bin Muhammad Sabri. I will present about morphology by using morphological analysis. Morphological analysis is a method for identifying, structuring, and investigating the total set of possible relationships contained in a given multidimensional problem complex. The morphological table used to analyze the function, part, and design of a product. Concept idea can be generated with the help of the visual image. There are 4 criteria of the product, which is the handle, sensor, body frame, and base. Every criteria that has 3 or 4 the option. For handle, that have 4 options, which is U shape, L shape, set, oval shape, and adjustable. For sensor, have 3 options, which is Arduino, Uno, Raspberry Pi, water and fire sensor. For body frame, portable with seat, standard, umbrella. And for base, have 4, 3 grip, quad stick, tripod stick, and single grip. After we choose the option for every criteria, we have combined and generate 4 set of ideal concept and list in table. From the table set of concept idea, we must choose 1 or 2 set of table and come up with 2 ideal concept design.
A very good day. My name is Vikneswaran and I will present you about the CAD of this project. The software that we use in this project is SolidWorks to build and develop the idea of this concept. Okay, this is the selected concept that we have choose to develop, and this is the assembly, and this consists of 6 parts altogether. And this is the exploded of the selected concept, exploded view. And first is the handle, second is stick 1, second is stick 2, and third is stick 3. And this is sensor, and lastly base. And this is the detailing of this product. The first is the handle. The function of this handle is to hold. The user will hold this and grip. The grip is very good. And the green button is to switch on and off. When you are using it, you can switch on, and you not using it, you can switch off. Second is the stick 1. The function of the stick 1 is to support the handle, and the function and here we go, stick 2. The function of the stick 2 is to adjust the size of the white cane. And the stick 3, the function of the stick 3 is to hold the sensor and base. The function of the sensor is to sense danger and other objects. And lastly, the base. It gives more support to the user when the user put the blind stick on the ground. Okay, this is the function. The main function of this product is it gives a warning sign when a danger is approaching, and this blind stick is mainly designed for blind people. So whenever a pothole or danger approach, the blind stick will automatically give sound, signal and vibration. From the vibration, the user can sense the danger and the user will prevent the danger from it getting worse. And the vibration is sent through the handle and the user can sense the vibration through hand. And this is when the user can adjust the size according to their needs, according to the height of the user. And here we have the base and the sensor. And this is the final rendering of this project.
Hello, now I'm continue with the conclusion part for the smart walking stick. In the nutshell, the first objective was achieved to build smart walking stick innovatively with the functional of Internet of Things IoT to help the visually impaired people. Second, the second objective has achieved where the smart walking stick able to detect obstacle, water, elevator, and lower surface with the aid of sensor and alert the user by notifying the sound from speaker. And the last objective is to eliminate human resistance and guide the blind people to walk by themselves, and where we strongly recommended that this smart walking stick is to build in the reality and to test physically on the user and observe the positive benefit with implementation of IoT system in the smart walking stick toward the visually impaired people. Finally, we would like to conclude that this smart walking stick will be very crucial tool to make impaired people's lives very easy and conveniently. Thank you.
That's all from our group presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.